Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dom Blueberry Jam and Mint Jelly, Lime Crime, Once Upon a Blue Mousse, and Pastelchio, and again that EDK stamping plate. And I'll also be using Bundle Monster BM-722. So here we go. I got my bases loaded lacquer on the blackout, couple of stampers, my Maniology cube stampers, and that H. Lacustador scraper. And of course, here's that plate again, in case you wanted to take another look. I figured I didn't know which video would post first, second, third, or fourth, or whatever. So I just put this little bit of footage in all of them so that, you know, just in case something crazy happened, you guys would know what I'm doing. I'm cleaning that plate off with some pure acetone and wiping it with a lint-free wipe. And then I have to take it off my desk and wipe it off because it's got fuzzies everywhere. That plate is etched, y'all. So here we go. I'm using Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer for this image. I'm going to get those little mint leaves onto a stamper. Oh, that picked up so beautiful. Love it. And BM-722. It's an old Bundle Monster plate. It's now Maniology. And I'm using Shutout for it too. So you can use whatever white stamping polish you use. This is one of my very most favorites here. So I'm going to pick this blueberry image up. Very nice. Very cool. Yay. I am going over them with the smudge free top coat. I need to fill these in and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm trying this out today on these. Well, you know, I'm still playing with it. I do really like using the Wet n Wild clear over my decals, though. It's really my preferred way. Dom nail polish, mint jelly to fill in those mint leaves, and blueberry jam to fill in the little blueberries. And I'm just using a little detailed brush to fill these in. And I'm not filling this whole image in. I'm just doing like where it looks like little blueberries to me. Not taking too much time on this. Not too bad. It's going to go pretty quick. Like on these little ones, all you have to do is put a little daub. That one needs a little daub and a little bit more. And then another little daub. We're going to fill that one in. I get all carried away with it, y'all. So, you know, when you do decals like this, do them how you want to. If you want to fill in all of it, go for it. If you just want to fill in one or two, that works as well. You do you. You do what feels right for you. Get that little blueberry, little bitty blueberries. Now, I'm not a fan of eating blueberries. I don't know what the deal is. I mean, I'll eat blueberry muffins or, you know, other blueberry type things, but just to sit and eat a handful of blueberries sitting my thing. My mama, she'll tear up a bowl of them, but I'm not. I'm just not. I don't know what it is about them. I don't know. To each their own, right? All right, so here we go with some mint leaves. And I guess, you know, I have mint growing out in my yard, and I'm telling you, like if it gets run over with the lawnmower or bumped, boy, that stuff smells so good. It smells like that spearmint gum. Oh my gosh. But I do love the smell of it. As long as it stays in the flower bed, we're okay. But when it jumps out of the garden bed, it's going to run the risk of getting stepped on or walked over or brushed past or run over with the lawnmower or the weed eater or something. And I'm telling you, fragrant, woo-wee. But I do love it. Love having some out in the yard. Oh, this one's going really well. These images aren't too hard to keep up with. Sometimes when I'm doing these reverse stamped images, it's like while you're painting on them, your eyes start playing tricks on you and you don't know where the image ends and begins. And this one's pretty easy. I can definitely tell where the leaves are. It's not wearing my eyeballs out. But this one's working out really well. So today I decided to pair up two of the Dom Gems and Jelly collection polishes to get one manicure out of it. Like I said, I don't want to put these away until they have all been worn. And y'all, I'm getting in a hurry. I got other stuff that's come in and other stuff I want to wear. I've still got polishes from the Polish and Beauty Expo of last year that still need to be worn. So, you guys, I had to hurry this along just a little bit. So, we're doing a 2 for today. And I thought the blue and green would go well together. Ooh, that looks so pretty. I do have IMK Peeleze on my nails, and I'll be using the Blueberry Jam and Lime Crime's Once in a Blue Mousse and the beautiful Dom Mint Jelly and Lime Crime Pastelchio. Who knows how that's supposed to be pronounced, y'all? I don't know. When they start, like, combining words and making it even harder, I mean, I have trouble speaking regular words. Are you kidding me? So, here we go with that Once in a Blue Mousse. It's just, that one's going on really beautiful. Very nice. I'm going to have to do some cleanup here, though, because I made a mess. Hi, Woody. How you doing? He's going to do his little bit down there. But I'm going to have to take a cleanup brush to this up at the top. I don't mean to steal Woody's thunder or anything, but, you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. I'm cleaning that up. Oh, goodness. Messy girl. All right, there we go with that Pistachio. More pistachio looking to me, but whatever. So, and now we're going to go in with mint jelly. This really is a pretty green polish, and I'm normally not a huge green polish lover, but you throw in all that goodness in it, and I'm in it. Alright, so we're going to do a second coat of everything. Hopefully I can get through this pretty quickly, because I've got some other stuff I want to do. Some more playing. Gotta get Woody back out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And then with the blue mousse one. And you guys know, this is kind of a mix match kind of a manicure, but every once in a while they can be very fun as well. The second coat of Pastelchio. And, you know, these colors, actually, this one, I think, has changed color a little bit over the years. Sometimes polishes do that. I don't have, like, a huge pile of them that have changed as much as this one, but I really do think that one's changed quite a bit since I got it. It's been a minute. Like a few minutes. There we go. We got everything painted, so now we're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And I am covering everything with the Quick Dry Top Coat. All the nails. See, here we go. Going to show you. Put my money where my mouth is. There it is. Alright. So pretty. So, here is a swatch photo of them on their own. Now, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild. And I'm going to go over these decals. These are super duper dry. I did them the night before. Painted my nails, but I wasn't able to apply the decals before I went to bed. So, I'm going to rehydrate them a little bit. And truth be told, I actually did this part, and then I waited like probably 30 minutes before I applied them to my nail. I know it looks like, you know, we all Hollywood magic here and everything, but I put the wet coat over them just to kind of rehydrate them, get them a little more flexible. And I'm putting on the Maniology Sticky Base on my nails, on the two that I'm putting the decals on. So here we go. We're going to get them sticky based up. And now let's apply the decals and see what we can do with this. So I'm trying to figure out my positioning on this and where it's going to land. Now, these aren't as flexible as they would have been if I'd have just ran through it straight through in one day, but that's okay. I rehydrated them, so they're a little better off now. And I really love the little mint leaves. They're probably my favorites. They're just so cute. So I am going in with my little cuticle tool, and I am breaking that decal around the edges. Because I don't want to have to clean all that, because all that glitter and stuff, boy, that'd be a mess to clean up with my acetone. So, kind of scraping it, getting it all, straightened out. I'm going to take my little nippy scissors and trim. Sorry, it's getting blurry. I'm going to trim across the end and then down the sides a little bit. Get some of that off of there. I did the same thing with the blueberry nail too. So there we go. And now it's time for some acetone and a cleanup brush. And I do go around and it's kind of melting that decal, especially across that tip the way I do that. The flat side of the brush across the end, kind of melting it to the nail and the nail polish and cleaning that end up because I don't want that stuff getting stuck in my hair later or scratching myself with it. You can see I'm kind of dabbing on the side. Just dab it a little bit, just a little meltage. Make that stick down good. But this one cleaned up really well. I am going to top this with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat because this side that's sticking up has not had anything on it and it's still subject to smearage. And we're going to finish this one off with some Seche Vite today. Going to cover these up and make them all glossy and plump and pretty. And then we're going to mattify them. Once that's dry, I am going to let the Seche Vite dry before I do the matte top coat. The Seche Vite's going to dry it all the way down through that and make it all good. But once this is dry, y'all, we're going to add that other coat. So here's my swatch photo of it glossy. And now for some Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper. I love this stuff. I'm such a junkie. You guys know I get hooked on things. And this is just going to be my mattified version of this manicure. And I really do like it. And I hope that you like it. You guys are going to have to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Because I love hearing from you. There it is. So I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.